Hello everyone. Today we are going to teach you how to build series and parallel circuits. Let's start with the series circuit. Series circuit is a closed circuit which has light bulbs connected to each other in series. The current flows through light bulbs in a single path. Let's build the series circuit. First, we need a battery. The voltage is 9 volts. Next, we need a wire to be the path of the electric current. A switch and some more wires. This ammeter tells you the current of the circuit. Next, we need a light bulb. Now, this ammeter tells you the electric current of each bulb. Next, we're going to close the circuit with this wire. And bam! The ammeter tells you that the current is 0.45 ampere. Next, we're going to need the voltmeter to measure the voltage of the circuit. First, we're going to measure the voltage of the battery. It tells you 9 volts, as I told you earlier. Next is the bulb. It's 4.5 volts because it is shared. It is shared. 2 bulbs is 9 volts. If one of the wire is cut, the circuit will not work because the current flows in a single path. Advantages is all the components are controlled by the same switch. Disadvantages are 1. When the bulb is spoiled or disconnected, the other bulbs won't light up. 2. Each electrical component in the circuit can be switched off separately. Next is parallel circuit. It is a closed circuit which has light bulbs connected in parallel. First thing first, the battery. It contains the voltage of 9 volts. Then we use a wire to connect the battery to the switch. Then connect the switch to ammeters for overall circuit. Then we will start building the first pad for the first light bulb. This is the ammeter for first light bulb. This is a bulb. And now we close the circuit first. Then we build the second pad for second light bulb. And it is the ammeter for second light bulb. Light bulb. A wire to close the circuit. When we turn the switch up, the 2 bulbs
start bright. The overall current is 1.8 ampere and the two bulbs are 0.9 ampere. Then we start to measure the voltage. The voltage of overall circuit is 9 volts. The first bulb is 9 volts too. And the second light bulb is 9 volts too. If we cut the first pad while the second pad is still bright, the advantages are: 1. Every component can be switched on and off separately. Second, if one of the components fails to work, it doesn't affect other components. And these advantages are: 1. Every component in the parallel circuit must have the same working voltage. 2. Overloading of the main supply can happen if many electrical appliances are used at the same time.
The difference is the series circuit has dimmer bulbs than a parallel circuit. 2. The parallel circuit has higher voltage across its bulb than the series circuit. 3. The parallel circuit has large current passed through each bulb than the series circuit.